Hi, I'm Susan Brandeis with Pure Financial Advisors. We are here at Junior Achievement with Sidd Vivek. So what does financial literacy mean to the general public, and why is there a whole month for it?
Well, here at Junior Achievement, it's been our experience that financial literacy really simply means, like, how does money work? What do I do with it? How do I save it? How do I spend it? How do I ensure that I can generate wealth for myself and my family? The research shows that there's a whole month because 75% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So we know we need to learn more about it, and we got to start much earlier.
And in traditional schools, there isn't much about financial literacy. So how does Junior Achievement facilitate this?
People learn by doing. So we have experiential curriculum and interactive experiences that allow young people not just to read about financial literacy, but we have them go through simulations, both in a mini city in our mission-fed JA Finance Park, where we allow young people to live adult life before they're adults.
Which is so much better than being in a classroom sitting in a seat. They actually get to run around.
The other key part is, really we get to do it with partners like Pure and other corporate partners who come in and provide their real context. Adults who can say, gosh, this is what I did when I was a kid and it was a mistake. Or this is what I did as an adult and this is why it worked.
Now, what's the average age group that comes in?
Well, we really start as early as kindergarten and we go all the way through 24 years old. But our sweet spot has really historically been 5th grade to about 12th grade.
And how do you measure success for the kids that come in?
Well, it's longitudinal, right? The only way we'll know is if not 75% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck in a few years. But in the short term, it's really about concepts. What is compounding interest? What is the difference between debits and credits? This is really foundational stuff, but as you noted, Susan, not all of this is taught in schools. Our schools do a really great job, and they need partners like Junior Achievement of San Diego County and corporate partners like Pure to ensure that our communities are financially literate and saving for the future.
And for parents out there, what's one tip that you have or one recommendation?
Start early. Our young people are far more capable and far more aware of the world around them than we give them credit for. So start early and don't be afraid to have tough conversations about money.
Now, how can others take advantage of the Junior Achievement Finance Park?
Well, we're a nonprofit, so we'll take checks. I'll be at Pure tomorrow. But in lieu of that, we really rely on corporate volunteers, people with life experience to come and share with our young people. I have 2 little kids, and they don't listen to me because I'm their parent.
Yeah.
But someone who's not their parent who can share the same experience changes the impact of that knowledge. Messenger matters, and we encourage all of your employees to come down and see how they can impact a life today.
How can others take advantage?
Well, that's a great question. We work a lot with schools, so we have schools and school districts come through, but we also have a number of programs where families can come and sign up directly with us. So as a family, you can, as an adult, come and volunteer, but you can also send your son, grandson, niece, daughter, granddaughter to come to a program year-round. We have summer programs, and we have different unique experiences all throughout the year. So you just got to check out our website, www.jasandiego.org.
Thank you.